let's just pull this colour out. That'll look nice behind the mountains. But yeah, there's plenty of ones in the shop to buy. So just lift up here, making them lovely northern lights. So I'm going to stay out of the crimson for a minute. I don't want to go into that crimson quite yet, because that will change the colour. I want to keep that fresh. Look at that lovely bluey green. Look at that. Beautiful colours. Beautiful colours. Up on these crimson ones, because if you use the same brush, the colours will just mix. So let's just go straight up here. Just put in a little bit of that in. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Straight down. Just go see what happens. Just a touch of green. That's the side of the mountain. Okay, so I've swapped to blue now. There's a bit there. Just a bit in there. And we're going to go some over here. There we go. I'm just going to blend out some of that there, and there, and down here. Just pull that down there. Some nice little mountains in the background. There we go. I don't know where we're going to go with these, probably somewhere around there. Anyway, let's pull across on this water, and we're just going to see a little bit here. So straight across, and that will give us some nice water, like a water feeding. Right, let's go around, sort of comes around there and it falls somewhere here. There it is. Should we have a dual one? A dual one? You've got to make them noises, otherwise it won't work. We'll put a few little splashes and stuff at the bottom there. Just using the fan brush. Let's just see how this goes. I don't want nothing too sort of light, maybe just a bit darker than that. So this is just titanium white going on to that colour that I made earlier. I can blend some of this, so you can add some little splashes here and there. Visualfusions. Let's just see what it looks like blended out a little bit there. Always looks nice if you can just blend a little bit. Maybe just a bit over here. Oh, I'm using the left hand. The way that water just moves when you blend that is crazy. That's actually quite a perfect colour for it, I think, to be fair. Try and get some right up the top there. Just by turning the fan brush. And then just lesser down there. We don't need a lot down there, just a little bit. Okay, so I've just thinned down some paint here. Here, I dropped my H. There we go. So yeah, thin down it, and we're going to sign it off here. There we go.